Doing trim work by hand with a hammer is a chore. Wouldn't it be great to have a cordless tool that nails just as fast? In this video, we put 5 top cordless nail guns to the test on both trim and bigger woodworking jobs. We look at battery life, speed, controls, and more. We use finish nailers and brad nailers so you'll know which is best for trim or furniture. By the end, you'll have found your new nimble nailing partner. So grab your tape measure and follow along to see which nail gun aces our tasks. Starting our list at number 5 is the Craftsman CMCN166C1 cordless nail gun. This model is the best budget option. The Craftsman CMCN616C1 has great nail driving power, is comfortable to handle, and there's a sight line to its tip, as well as a comfortable handle. We reliably fired nails into softwood up to 2.5 inches thick and oak up to 1.5. Just be warned, when we fired 2.5-inch nails into harder red oak, the majority of fasteners had their heads flush or nearly flush to the surface, not set just below the surface as is ideal. These nails, with their heads standing proud off the surface, required an old-fashioned nail set and a hammer for us to finish driving them. That aside, this is a good, sturdy, and reliable nailer at an affordable price. Next, in 4th place, we have the DeWalt DCN680 D1 cordless nail gun, known as the most reliable option. 18-gauge nails are finicky. The longer a nail is, the harder it is for a nail gun to reliably sink it into hardwoods without either misfiring and jamming in the nose or firing the nail into the material, but not properly setting it below the surface. This DeWalt is different, consistently firing one nail after the other into red oak without a problem. Its slim handle, weight distribution, and balance are outstanding, improving our productivity, which was also enhanced by the tool's stout drive mechanism and a lack of recoil. There's a lockout to prevent dry firing, and we also like the gun's small nose that made it easy to hit our target. Place the gun and fire, then move on to the next nail. With the DCN680D1, it's that simple. Taking the 3rd spot is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer. This model is the most powerful. With decades behind us testing Milwaukee electric tool products, we know the brand isn't given to hyperbole. Yet we looked askance at its claim that this 18-gauge nailer can fire reliably into 2-inch oak. Well, not only does the 2746 do this, it also sets each nail with an impeccable and crisp cavity above the head, perfect for accepting filler. And there ends our brief career as Milwaukee skeptics. Other notable features of this tool include its mechanism that opens the entire top of the nailer's nose for full access to clear jam nails, which we didn't experience, by the way, and the ability to rapid-fire 3 nails per second. Its lightweight, slim profile, and well-shaped grip contribute to its easy handling nature. In short, the 2746 makes nailing trim a pleasure. In 2nd place, we have the RYOBI P320 cordless nail gun. This model is the best value option. The RYOBI 18-gauge brad nailer is a do-it-yourselfer's nailer. It lacks the long nail driving power of our test's top finishers, but it's inexpensive and effective for most household jobs, including attaching shoe molding, installing softwood door and window molding, attaching baseboards, and putting up small crown molding. Hobbyist crafters and DIYers will appreciate the tool's lack of bulkiness. It's a bit shorter and slimmer than professional duty nail guns, though we wish it were a bit lighter. The dial at the back of the tool makes it a snap to adjust output air pressure to control nail depth. Turning the dial clockwise increases air pressure and driving power, while turning it counterclockwise has the opposite effect. Simple and intuitive. Finally, at the top of our list is the Metabo HBT 18-volt MultiVolt cordless brad nailer. This model is the best overall. The Metabo HBT sailed to placement atop our rankings thanks to its comfortable handling and ability to sink a fastener in the toughest wood. It fired all of its nails in our maple and red oak tests with ease. A brushless motor maximizes the tool's longevity just as it does its already impressive firing speed. With this power tool, you get a brad nailer that's as light as a pneumatic tool, but without the air hose. It's 30% lighter than its predecessor, and its narrow handle creates a good line of sight to its tip. The compact and lightweight design makes it a breeze to handle at floor height, mid-height, and over your head, reducing the chances that you'll misfire a nail, speeding up your productivity. And since it uses small 18-gauge nails, you can fire more nails before you have to reload. The Metabo cordless nail gun is powerful and easy to handle, plus it takes full advantage of the potential locked-in 18-gauge fasteners by delivering a tool well-engineered to fire them. That wraps up our test of the best cordless nail guns. With the right model, you can say goodbye to manual nailing and complete jobs faster. Be sure to check out our top pick to finish all your trim and woodworking. Thanks for watching and happy building!